Arrange objects in a logical order. If you're distributing the PowerPoint slide file to your audience, you'll want to make sure the objects read in a logical order. Screen readers read the information contained in objects in the order the objects were created, and this has nothing to do with the physical appearance of the slide. So in our sample deck, in this slide, to me I would look at this slide and see no problem with the reading order. I've got the title, Protecting Students' Privacy. I'd naturally move to the next chunk of content, which reads, Scenario. A student in your class is sick the day that you return midterm exams. She emails and asks if her roommate can pick up her exam. What's your response? Then I'll move to content in the policy box, which says Policy. Release of private information to third parties can only take place if the student has given written permission via the Use Official form. But that's not the order that a screen reader will read this content, because I happen to know that the slide designer made the policy text box first and the scenario text box second. I can tell the order that the objects were made by clicking the Arrange button in the formatting toolbar. I can drag the objects so they read in the appropriate order. If you have a complex layout with lots of objects, you may need to group objects so they are treated as one object in the reading order. When you group objects, remember to also create alt text for the group of objects rather than alt text for each individual piece.